Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the panel by prying it off. Remove the Torx bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise. Disconnect the wire by pulling it out. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Make sure that any wires that have become disconnected are replaced. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise. Reconnect the housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the Torx bolts by turning them clockwise. Position the panel so that the tabs line up with their respective slots and press in.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.